In this video, I'm breaking down the best power tool brand to start fresh with if your whole tools trailer got jacked and you're looking for solid contractor-grade gear that actually holds up on the job. So here's the deal. When you're starting over, you want a brand that's tough, reliable, and won't quit on you halfway through a project. DeWalt's XR and Fuel lines are absolute beasts for general contractors because they pack insane power and long battery life. Like, you can run all day without hunting for a charger. Plus, their tools are built rugged enough to survive the daily grind of a construction site, which is clutch when you're moving fast and need gear that won't crumble. The battery ecosystem is also super convenient. Once you grab a few batteries, you're set for everything in their lineup, no wasted chargers or adapters. And if you're on a budget but still want something pro-level, DeWalt frequently has killer sales, so you can snag quality tools without breaking the bank. I mean, yeah, Makita's awesome too, but if cash is tight or you want the best resale value down the road, DeWalt's where it's at. Don't sleep on their warranty either. It's solid and makes it easier to deal with any hiccups. Trust me, having your tools stolen sucks hard, but starting over with DeWalt is like getting back on your feet with a partner that's got your back. One of the biggest mistakes I see contractors making when picking power tools is chasing the flashiest brand instead of focusing on durability and battery life. Sometimes those top-tier brands don't last as long under real job site abuse. Another issue is buying tools with incompatible batteries or chargers that mess up your workflow and cost you more in the long run because you have to carry multiple systems around. And lastly, skimping on warranty or ignoring customer service can bite you when a tool fails. Investing in a brand known for solid support saves serious headaches later. BigHomeProjects.com is a game changer because it links homeowners directly with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff, making projects way smoother on both ends. Plus, it's an awesome platform for contractors looking to find steady work without all the usual hassle of marketing themselves solo.